Shut up, Andy.
Go Tigers! How about that? Roll Tide!
Guess who's back?
Oh, goodness.
Shut up's here. Wake up, everyone. 23 degrees, Frank. Is that it?
It ain't that cold. It's like a heat wave compared to... Y'all might have noticed I wasn't here yesterday. Listen, we old people like to sleep in when it's cold.
18.
Good morning, I'm Jamie Cooper. Thank y'all for getting up with us on this beautiful, glorious Friday morning. Joseph and Shut Up Matthew on the way this morning. Got ready to go. I got to agree with me with them beards.
How quick did that grow?
Yeah.
It takes about 19 days to get it full.
Yeah,
this is about
I mean, how's that work? And I don't believe it.
He's here at 6 o'clock. Good grief.
Wow.
Barry Kay joins us on this cold day.
It's a new year.
Get ready, warm up. We'll heat you up just a second. Way to go, Barry.
I got a question. How do you get beat by a nut? You are an elephant. How does an elephant get beat by a nut?
I don't know, we ain't talking football, no. Last Friday
Y'all got beat by a leprechaun.
Last Friday was a day of mourning for everybody in the SEC.
It was.
All right, let me tell y'all a quick story. Thanks to your good client, our
Save
good
it
friend, Chuck and All-Star Plumbers. Hopefully they'll make it to our house today. Here I am making fun of people going to let the water freeze.
Uh-oh.
Ugh.
Why wouldn't you just let
The only place in our house, and I got 4 bathrooms, 3, 4, 5, 4,
5.
that I have hot water is in my kitchen.
Really?
It's a nice
How
I
is
got
that
everything, but I ain't got hot water. I don't know, don't have a clue.
You got one of those tankless water
Yeah,
heaters?
but it's frozen.
That's only in one bedroom, though.
Because they ran the water outside the house instead of...
No.
I don't know how they ran it, but they didn't put, I mean, it's never happened before, but my tankless water system ain't putting out no hot water, Frank. Last night I took the quickest shower of my life.
In the kitchen sink?
No, I took it upstairs. I go upstairs thinking, oh, I got hot water. I let the water run to so I'm going to get it. No.
That's that polar bear plunge.
No more showers for you.
Oh, yeah. Did the power go off the other night?
Yep.
Not in my place.
Not in my place.
Well, evidently it did at my place. I get up, Zach, listen to this story. Yesterday morning,
Thought he'd
freezing
sleep in.
cold outside. I got one of them clocks that shoots it up on the, telling what time it is. I look up and it said, I wake up at 2, go back to bed, and come back and it said, 6:45. I said, well, I need to get up, watch, see what's happening in the show and everything, let her sleep. I go in there, cut the alarm off, turn the show on, watch it, get ready to make the coffee, flip on gonna watch 48. It says early today. I said, early today? It was 10 after 4. The power had gone off, my clock had messed up.
So it wasn't as late as you thought.
Idiot.
You're an idiot today.
We got a lot of stuff going on today. Tom ain't with us. We're going to exercise a little bit too. We got some new gal coming on with us. We don't know yet, but we're going to meet her today. She's going to give us some exercising tips for the new year. Joseph's going to talk about some car shows getting up and cranking.
I'm going to talk about
And Shut
football.
Up's just going to talk about anything he can because he's back in business. Let's get to the weather first thing this morning.
Shut Up's just glad to put a microphone back on and be able to entertain everyone at home. He really doesn't need a microphone. We can't cut that off, Brad. You're right. All right. It feels more like 18 degrees out there. Or actually, it feels like 12, but at least the wind's not quite as bad as it was the other morning. High temperatures today of only 33. Full sunshine, though, so maybe that'll make everyone smile. Low temperatures of 15. It is winter, isn't it? Maddie doesn't like it at all. High of 35 tomorrow with yet again full sunshine. 23 for that low. And next week, or the weekend rather, not looking too bad. Rain. And Abby said it looks like might even see some snow. Okay, come here.
Oh, no, wow. TV.
Did you miss me?
How you been, Joseph? Ain't seen you since church.
Doing good. That's right. Doing good. I like this cold weather.
I asked your son Jack, I said, you want to swap cars? He said, no. And he said, oh, yeah, you got that other one. He's still enjoying
He
his.
forgot about that. Yeah.
Guess what his son got for his 16th birthday?
What?
A Mustang.
From the Mustang man.
That's right, from the Mustang
Got my old
man.
black one.
Shut up, you been in Alaska when you go back? Couple weeks?
Yeah, a few weeks.
You ever going to be with us on a regular basis again?
Not for a while.
Not for a while.
For a while. Got me.
And yes, he did make it this morning, but while he makes his way over here, let's go to Zach and see what's happening in sports.
Hey, there's a little bit of everything going on, Jamie. 3 Tide juniors decided to jump to the NFL, which is not unexpected. Amari Cooper, Landon Collins, and T.J. Yeldon are all leaving for the NFL, so good luck to those guys. thank you for your time at Alabama. Roll Tide, and we'll just reload and go back. Auburn had a couple guys.
How come we got beat so bad last Thursday night?
Because they would not get hurt.
Hey, no, that wasn't it. We just got beat. But we were recruiting guys. One of our worst spot, we're losing Landon Collins, but cornerback's been one of our weak spots.
No.
We've recruited a lot of cornerbacks.
You know, you'd think in most of the times when it's 3rd and long, Matthew, that you'd be able to stop people. That is our Achilles heel.
The defense killed y'all this year.
Well, that's
okay. We got beat. We're Bama fans. You LSU fan. Y'all got beat. You're Auburn fan. Y'all got beat.
We got beat.
Everybody got beat except for the bottom feeders.
I didn't see them in the playoff, Jamie. That's all I'm going to say.
Yeah, but you know what? Don't go there because the rest of the SEC won their playoff game.
Speaking of not going to be on the playoff, the championship game, Nick Saban will not.
Nick Saban will not, but Gus Malzahn will.
They are hurting for people if they want bubble gum blowing.
I guess he'll be chomping his gum on the
They should get Jamie Cooper.
They couldn't get Jimbo.
But apparently it was saying Nick Saban was going to be there, and then they come back and University said
Is
no.
Jimbo not going to be there?
I don't know. I just know it just said Gus Malzahn will be there, and also 2 Auburn juniors, Chris Frost and Casanova McKenzie. They said they are coming
Why
back
couldn't Barry got
to
Casanova?
Auburn.
Well, that's a good name, Casanova.
You going to change your name?
I might. Casanova Cooper, that'd be a good ring to it.
Oh, my goodness.
We saw you see.
Barry, you tuned up?
Couple other things, Jamie.
All right.
West Limestone is #2 in boys basketball in state, so 4A. So congratulations to them. And also there was an article in the paper today about Quasi Hansen. He went from 5'11" to 6'5" in 2 years.
That's a growth spurt.
Hey, if a lot of people don't know this, but Keith Askins that played at Alabama went on to play at the Miami Heat. He was 5'11" his junior year, and he shot to 6'6", and then he got the scholarship. Now he's still in the NBA working for the Miami Heat.
Shaquille did that.
I got this out of the East Lauderdale News this morning. Cut this out. You know, they just finished the tournament over in Rogersville at Lauderdale County High School. It used to be called the Northwest Alabama Christmas Tournament. Now it is called the Keith Davis Memorial Christmas Tournament in honor of a legendary sportscaster, the Swami and basketball enthusiast Keith Davis, who passed away a year ago, the end of this month.
So
Our old buddy. Put that picture back up, Brad. Let me educate folks here a little bit. See those triplets? They're 1, 2, and 3. Amazing story. They've been starters for 3 years. They're juniors this year. They had lacked in 3 or 4 games to break the record of consecutive victories of 73, I think, set by Coach Randy White here with Athens years ago. And come to find out, just read this, their mother was on the first basketball championship team at Rogersville at Lauderdale County High School.
Wow.
Didn't she also play at Tennessee?
I think so. Way to go, Joseph. I didn't read all of it, but
Those girls, I saw them like the 8th grade.
They're pretty good.
That's supposed to make the coach look bad, right?
I've been watching them since they were freshmen.
I'm looking all right.
And they're
1, 2, and 3. They're pretty good. Hey, I got some stories we're going to talk about Chick-fil-A in a little bit, too. I'll give you a little quiz on some of that. The guy in Birmingham's in the news again. You probably already know that.
Yeah, I saw
about the homeless.
that.
And then there's one about people camping out like they did at your place, but freezing temperature.
Oh, yeah.
That's good.
Yeah.
Maybe to get cold.
So we got that coming up second half, too. You ready?
I'm ready, man.
Let's go walk and love and get some music this morning. It's odd to have Barry Kay in here this time of the morning.
Really?
Our
I'm usually
favorite
here this
singer of all time. Couldn't be
in.
Barry Kay filling in. Barry, you've been with us about 20 years now, ain't you?
Well, maybe not quite that.
All right, wait a minute. One other quick thing.
It only feels like that long.
We just started our 11th year in this building. It's our 12th year here. We have
Your
had
good luck charm.
the same 2 towels in our bathroom the entire 11 years since we've been here.
It's now actually.
First American
Well, you
Bank
don't
with
need to
Jeff
put that-
Hodges. That ain't even in
Put
existence
that
anymore.
back in there. That's a good luck charm.
Let's go local and loved it. Y'all hang on.
The old hometown looks the same as I step down from the train, and there to greet me is my mama and my papa. Down the road I look, and like cherries. It's good to touch the green, green grass of home. Everybody. Yes, they'll all come to meet me, arms reaching, smiling sweetly. Oh, it's good to touch the green, green grass of home. The old house is still standing, though the paint is cracked and dry. And there's that old oak tree that I